Begin by finding a comfortable position, just allowing your body to settle into a space you are in right now. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go. Simply begin by noticing that you are breathing in and out. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to change. Bring your awareness to the gentle movement of your breath. As you breathe in, feel the coolness of air entering through your nostril. And as you breathe out, notice how that sensation softly becomes warm. Breathing in, cool. Breathing out, warm. Each breath, gently let yourself know, I'm breathing in, and as you breathe out, I'm breathing out. As your body begins to relax, notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and your shoulders. You may feel the subtle stretching of your skin and the movement of your clothing with each breath. Just be aware of it. There is no need to change the pattern of your breathing. If your breath is slow, let it be slow. If your breath is shallow, let it be shallow. If it's deep, let it be deep. Your only task is to witness the natural intelligence of your body. Now gently bring your awareness to your ribs. Notice how they expand outward to the sides and even into the back. As you inhale and softly contract as you exhale. Now notice the brief still point at the end of your out breath. Right before the next inhale begins, a tiny window of a silence and stillness. Gently rest your awareness there. As you continue to relax, bring your attention down to your abdomen. Feel the belly rise and soften, the breath moving like a wave, starting deep within you, rising through your body and gently falling back down. If your mind begins to wander, simply notice, and without judgment, gently bring your attention back to the next breath. Each breath is a new beginning. Each exhale, a complete letting go. Stay with the sensation of the breath moving in and out. Feel the texture of your breath. Is it smooth, light, or heavy? Just observe it as it is. Just be witness. Try not to judge. Simply be there. Simply be aware. You are gently returning to the present moment. And as you continue, notice how your body begins to settle on its own. Simply because you are paying attention. Each inhale provides exactly what you need, and each exhale carries away what you no longer require. Just spend a few more moments here. Resting in this quiet awareness, no matter how busy the world becomes, this breath, this simple sensation is always available to you, a constant, a steady place to return. And when you feel ready, slowly begin to take slightly deeper breath, feeling it gently expand through your chest, your abdomen, your whole body. And as you exhale, softly allowing yourself to return, becoming aware of your body, resting here, the space around you, the sounds, the stillness, and just notice that something within you feels a little softer, a little quieter, more at ease. and gently remind yourself that this calm, this awareness is something you created, but something that has always been there within you, available in every breath, in every moment, whenever you choose to return.